In this video, we'll see how to make masala bread which you can eat for breakfast or as a snack. Let's get started. Toast the breads until brown and crispy. I have taken 4 breads here. Add oil in a pan and add half a tablespoon of mustard seeds. Let it splutter and add 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Add 1 red chili. You can add more if you like a bit spicy. Add curry leaves and add 1 chopped green chili. Add 1 small piece of ginger finely chopped and mix well. Add chopped onion and chopped tomatoes. I have added half of each. Add salt as per taste. Half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 15 ml of water and mix well. Cut the bread into small squares and add it to the cooked masala and mix well. Cover the lid and simmer the flame for 5 minutes. Let the bread soak all the masala. Add chopped coriander and squeeze a lemon for added flavor. Delicious masala bread is ready. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe me and click the bell icon. Until next time, goodbye.